So recently, a few months ago, at Aryballe, we released a new software module, which we call Answers module, that we designed specifically to give simple answers to some of the basic order questions. So these two questions are: do the samples smell the same? Are the odors the same? And do one of those have stronger odor than the other? So these two questions were asked, and we designed a tool that would enable the users to either answer one of those or two of these questions at once. We have NEO's advanced device at Aryballe, a digital olfaction electronic nose device, and basically we want to understand if some smell, some odor, some samples smell the same, and if not, what's the difference? And if we don't care about the smell itself, we already know that, for example, the samples should and are smelling the same. Maybe there is a difference in their odor strength. So let's find out how we can answer those questions in an efficient and scientific way. So we've been designing this tool with the deployability in mind. So we actually came up with this design solution that led us to sort of separate the activities for quality control management, setting up the environment, preparing the samples, making sure that the protocol respects the business process and the quality control management pipelines at customers. So this is sometimes complicated stuff. It totally depends on samples. So we try to make the software at this part as flexible as possible, and as rich information as possible. And on the other hand, and we will see this in action, we designed the tool in a way that it could be easily deployed at the operations level, so that the operation stuff would not require a tedious setup processes, and just load the activity, proceed with the measurements, and have a simple answers about a pass-fail style answers to one of those questions that we covered just before. So we imagine the deployment of the tool like this. So there is an iterative approach by starting experiment from scratch and iteratively ameliorating it as a function of a different sample or conditions or needed accuracy or needed confidence, etc., etc., etc. With the tool, with a certain process that allows for deployment, basically saving those parameters as a single file ready to execution, so that it could be executed on multiple operations control benches. This is a simplified, of course, scheme, but I think it describes a lot the intention we had in mind while designing the tool.